Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the germination and experiment related germination. What is germination? Germination is the process of formation of seedling developed from embryo. जब न्यू प्लांट जर्मिनेट होता है that is called germination and the condition required for germination that is water. When the seed absorb water with the help of micropyle, then the seed swell up, seed coat ruptures and the new seedling arise from in the form of baby plant from the seed. So water is necessary for germination. Next is suitable temperature. 35 degrees Celsius temperature is the optimum temperature. If the temperature is high, then germination does not occur. Oxygen also necessary for germination. Next, experiments on germination. First is water is necessary for germination. Take two beakers A and B. In A beaker you will put wet cotton wool and in the another beaker you will put dry cotton wool. Take beans in both beakers. You will see after some time that in the beaker which has wet cotton wool the seeds germinate because that seeds take water from the wet cotton wool, and the beans that are present in the dry cotton wool they do not germinate. Next is experiment to prove that suitable temperature is also necessary for germination. If we take beaker in ordinary temperature, then at ordinary temperature the beans show germination, but if we take beaker in the refrigerator at very low temperature or at very high temperature, seeds will not germinate. So the seeds need only suitable temperature for germination. Next is temperature experiment to prove that oxygen is necessary for germination. Here two flasks. In these two flasks wet cotton wool is present. On them soaked gram seeds are present. But in one flask you will see that there is test tube with plain water. In the beaker B, the test tube which is filled with pyrogallic acid. The function of pyrogallic acid is it absorb oxygen. Then after some days you will see that the beaker A, the seeds will germinate with the help of they take sunlight from outside, they take oxygen from the water because water has oxygen as a component, they take oxygen so they germinate. But the pyrogallic acid absorb oxygen that is present in little bit amount in the flask, so there is absence of oxygen, so the seeds will not germinate. This experiment shows that oxygen is necessary for germination. Beta, underline the function of pyrogallic acid, it absorb oxygen. Next is 3 bean seed experiment. See the figure. Here is a beaker filled with water. Take a slide which has 3 beans. One is at the bottom, second is in the middle and third is at the top. Only middle seed germinate because it contain oxygen, water as well as suitable temperature. The above seed, top seed does not get water, so it will not germinate. The bottom seed does not germinate because it gets water but very little oxygen. So the middle bean seed is germinate because it take all necessary requirements for germination. So students, today you will read these experiments. These are very important experiments you will read, and which I send you in the homework. You also note down on your bio copy. Thanks.